Alright guys, welcome back to a nifty network video. Today we have a mini truck, little Suzuki action, and the motor mounts are blown on this thing. So we think, because the motor mounts shake like crazy. So, don't throw them. Here, we'll go over to my little cabinet. So these came from Japan. Kind of cool because it was literally like their packing paper. All Japanese stuff. What is this? Is this like an air fryer or a pressure cooker? Anyways, we got our motor mounts right here. If I sound halfway stupid or I'm not making any sense on why I'm removing this to do that, I'm signing my waiver right now that we tried to find a video on YouTube and nobody had one. So we're going to make one. All you need tool-wise, I used a 14 with a wobbly. I used a 14 with a little extension for this side. And then I have a ratchet right there. And I used that for convenience. But realistically, you could get it done with just those three tools right there. We need to mount a bench back here.
That'd be sick.
Okay, so what size are these? These look like 14s. 12s. Not 14s. We got one motor mount right here. And I'm assuming the other one's on the other side. So we can probably utilize this guy. I'll go down with a ratchet strap and I'll loosen it first. And then I'll pull up this way, hook to this on the ratchet strap, because this is like a frame type deal. We don't need to pull it up like hard either. It just needs to like hold a little bit of weight, so that'll be cool. And looks like the other side might be a little tougher because the cat is right where I need to be. So maybe we'll just jack that side up. But let's do it. So I'm just going down right here. And there's a little opening in the motor mount bracket. Okay, so that top one, that should be a 14 until I get that nut off. So I started with this top one. Okay, so now we'll go under it and see how much room I have. This one is a little more advanced to get to, but got a little 14 extension wobbly guy, and she came right off. Okay, well, let's just get that other side off and we'll go from there. Oh, this one's super easy to get to. I was totally wrong. That was like right in the open. So yeah, you got one there. You got one on the other side. The top might be like a little harder to get to, but nothing too major. Okay, so I'm just relieving a little pressure on that because I am going to drop the cross member. And I'll go do the other side now. Okay, so I got one motor mount out. One motor mount out. Cool. This one should come in here. Should be able to like kind of. Okay, so I kind of just like pushed it down a little from the top, and it actually slid right into place. So we'll go do the other side now. It's always frustrating when you can like see, or like when you can feel it like pretty easily, but you can't get a tool on it. Okay, we're making a little progress. I have the socket on it, but now I need my ratchet. Okay, so the second one is out. And let's go get the replacement. Alright, so I had this little plate on top that I'm going to reuse. And you got a little washer that goes on top. Okay, then you got a fresh washer. Okay, so I got that snugged up with my finger. I'll tighten the top of it. Alright, that's good. And now, I'm going to get that there. Put that guy on. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the other side and get the other side both set up like this so that there's a nut on both sides. And then I'll grab another jack and I'll press up on this cross member, and then I'll be able to line up the cross member back to these bolt holes right here. So, yeah. Okay, so I'll move that other side over. This side's got both on. The top one's not on this one, but I'm going to get the cross member up because that one's easy to get to. I'm going to jack the cross member back up now. Let's see where we're at over here. Okay, that worked pretty good, I think. So the cross member actually kind of wanted to walk this way a little for whatever reason. But when I put the jack under the cross member and jacked it back up, it actually went right back into place. So I guess don't be worried about that. Okay, so that's tight. The top one's tight. Those two. So now it's just the other side. This is actually fairly easy. I mean, you can't see, but pretty easy. Okay, so that one's good. Now we'll do tighten this lower one. Okay. And then the last one is this top one to do. Right here. I am tightening the last nut up. So you don't actually, in order for the Suzuki Carry ones, these guys, yes, for the Carry, the Scary Carry, you don't have to pull the seats out. Give it one last little torquey. And then I also move this pipe right here. It's like it looks like a crossover pipe, just to get a little more room. It just pops off. There's not even a clamp on it, so put that back, and that's how you do motor mounts on a Suzuki Carry. Very, very easy. Link down below for these motor mounts. If you own a Suzuki Carry, you might as well do it.